What is Near Protocol and how does it work? Have you ever heard of the Near Protocol project? It is a blockchain project whose funding was led by a fundraiser. The Near crypto is one of those virtual currency categories called the Ethereum killer. Many consider it a solid alternative to Ethereum and its congestion issues. The excitement caused by these new alternative blockchain technologies is palpable. However, the network effect will be crucial in the success of this new project. Find out more about the Near protocol and its crypto with the acronym NEAR in this article. The Near project represents a decentralized application platform operating in the same way as EOS or Ethereum. This platform, which proposes the sharding technology, works with a consensus in proof of stake. The scalability of the network is increased thanks to this sharding technology, which divides a network into several pieces. This makes it possible to carry out calculations in parallel. The Near project thus makes it possible to make applications more usable on the web. The mechanism used by the network is called Nightshade. It allows a stability of the charges and a good scaling. Data storage and the transaction processing fees are done through the Near protocol crypto. The token is also used to run validator nodes on the network. Finally, the token provides access to governance votes to identify which network resource the tokens will be allocated to. In addition to sharding, which allows for frictionless network scalability, the Near project is also interested in scheduling. The project uses specialized Near tools. These include the Near SDKs, which support not only the standard tools for Rust and assembly script, but also data structures. The Grit pod for Near is also used to provide developers with an immediate onboarding experience. In addition, application developers can take advantage of the Near wallet to create simplified user experiences. For understanding network performance and debugging contracts, the project uses the Near Explorer. Finally, developers can deploy applications from local environments using Near command line tools. How does the Near protocol blockchain work? Although Near shows itself as an alternative network ready to solve scalability problems, it still has to fight with other equally competitive projects such as EOS, Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche, and even Ethereum. Nevertheless, this platform adopts several features focused on improving its performance: Nightshade Sharding, Aurora, and Rainbow Bridge. The secret: Nightshade Sharding. Nightshade Sharding is the core technology of this blockchain, on which Near protocol is powered and founded. It is a sharding technology which manages to transmit data across the network very efficiently. This technology is the secret that makes Near one of the fastest networks by far. Sharding refers to the division of labor during processing, i.e., it allows transactions to be processed by many different nodes. In this way, each node is responsible for processing a part of all the transactions in the blockchain, allowing an increase in the TPS, transactions per second, of the network. In traditional blockchain networks such as Ethereum, all the transactions corresponding to a block are processed by a single node, which is much more inefficient. Nightshade Sharding uses block validators within the Near chain, which allows transaction data to be processed in parallel across thousands of shards. Each of these will produce a new part of the next blockchain, known as chunks. Finally, these chunks are processed by the network to finalize the transactions included in them. More technical detailed information can be found in the official Near documentation. Aurora, the Near protocol Layer 2 network. Aurora is a Layer 2 solution on top of the Near network. Its main function is to help dApps creators to extend dApps to a platform that is compatible with Ethereum. This network allows to provide low transaction costs for users of such applications. According to the Near Protocol project managers, Aurora is capable of hosting thousands of transactions per second, with a transaction time per block of less than 2 seconds. This network is composed of two elements: Aurora Engine, which serves as an Ethereum virtual machine, supporting all the development tools of this network. Aurora Bridge, a bridge between blockchains that allows moving ERC20 tokens between Near and Ethereum networks. Rainbow Bridge. The Rainbow Bridge as a bridge functions as a means to transfer assets to and from the Near network. For example, it can send stablecoins, ERC20 tokens, wrapped tokens. It even serves to transfer NFTs between the Ethereum and Near blockchains. The major difference between Rainbow Bridge and Aurora Bridge is that Rainbow Bridge is a Layer 1 project, while Aurora Bridge is a Layer 2 project. Logically, Rainbow Bridge is a decentralized and permission-free gateway. In addition, it has support for Web3 wallets such as MetaMask. The team behind the Near Protocol project. Near Protocol was created by Ilya Polosukhin and Alex Skidanov. They are both developers with extensive experience in the field of programming. Skidanov was working at the American startup Gas Pedal Y Combinator when he got to know Polosukhin. In July 2018, the two men decided to work together on a project that would aim to make it easier for the developers to create and launch software. This resulted in the creation of the Near Protocol Crypto. The project team has about 40 employees, many of whom are ex-developers from Google and MemSQL. The project's website announced that several of the company's developers have received awards for their participation in coding and other competitions. One of the awards is the International Collegiate Program Contest, ICPC. Polosukhin is known to have made significant contributions to Google Search and the open-source machine learning program TensorFlow. Skidanov previously worked at Microsoft and MemSQL. The funding that enabled the development of the Near crypto came from some industry heavyweights. These included Pantera Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, Libertas Capital, Electric Capital, and others. The funds raised for the project amount to $21.6 million. The project was developed by 50 developers who are experts in blockchain technology. At the launch of the currency, Near coin holders gained partial ownership of the Near blockchain. As the platform continues to grow, the system will become more decentralized. The development and governance of this project is therefore being handled by the Near Foundation. The goal of the Near project is to create an autonomous and decentralized organization